Hi everyone, welcome to SkillMint Studio. Today we are going to learn 4 amazing MS Word shortcut tricks that will save your time. Let's start. Let's create table in 1 second. Just type plus, dashes and plus. Press enter. Let's create a clean horizontal line. Just 1 second. Just type dashes and press enter. Let's create a bold double border in 1 second. Just type your hashes and press enter. Let's see how to create dummy tags in just 1 second. Just type equal lorem brackets, press enter. I hope this video helpful. Please like and subscribe to SkillMint Studio. See you in the next video.